Combating inflammation through diet involves incorporating specific foods that have anti-inflammatory properties while avoiding those that can exacerbate inflammation. Here's a guide on how to use food to combat inflammation. Number 1. Incorporate anti-inflammatory foods. 1. Fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals. These help reduce inflammation. Berries, leafy greens, tomatoes, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower are excellent choices. 3. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and other fatty fish are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have potent anti-inflammatory effects. 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are good sources of omega-3s and antioxidants. 5. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil contains oleocanthal, which has anti-inflammatory properties similar to ibuprofen. 6. Whole grains. Oats, brown rice, and quinoa are high in fiber, which can reduce inflammation. 7. Spices and herbs. Turmeric, ginger, garlic, cinnamon, and black pepper have anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin in turmeric is particularly effective. Number 2. Reduce pro-inflammatory foods. 1. Refined carbohydrates. White bread, pastries, and other refined carbs can spike blood sugar levels, leading to increased inflammation. 2. Sugary beverages. Soda, fruit juices, and energy drinks are high in sugar, which can promote inflammation. 3. Processed meat. Sausages, hot dogs, and bacon are linked to higher inflammation levels due to their high content of saturated fats and preservatives. 4. Trans fats. Found in fried foods, baked goods, and many processed snacks. Trans fats can trigger inflammation. Number 3. Balanced diet and hydration. 1. Balanced diet. Ensure your diet is rich in a variety of nutrients. A Mediterranean or plant-based diet is particularly effective in reducing inflammation. 2. Hydration. Drinking plenty of water helps flush toxins from your body, reducing inflammation. Number 4. Lifestyle considerations. 1. Moderate alcohol intake. A glass of red wine can have anti-inflammatory benefits, but excessive drinking increases inflammation. 2. Avoid smoking. Smoking exacerbates inflammation, so quitting is essential for overall health. 3. Regular exercise. Physical activity can reduce inflammation, but avoid overtraining, which can have the opposite effect. Number 5. Consult with a healthcare provider. Before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have an underlying health condition, it's wise to consult with a healthcare provider or a dietitian to tailor the anti-inflammatory diet to your specific needs. By focusing on these foods and habits, you can effectively reduce inflammation and improve your overall health.